Hi guys, it's Candace. Welcome back to Journal Me Crazy. Okay, I thought we'd do a quick and easy, I know, with gingerbread. So, well, I'll show you what I did first. Because we're going to play. So remember, this is the little... Oop, wrong way. Scrap play that we did. And then I said I had to make a card to go in there. Well, I did this one and shrunk them down so it goes in like that. And then I did this little one that goes in there like that. Well, after I made this, I thought, well, you know, exactly, that's what I said. I thought, well, you know, when you print this, if you just, you know, you shrink it down 5x7s, which you can do 2 per page. But I thought if you only did it 1 per page, then you could make a folder out of it. I know. So I printed it just on the half a page. I'm going to score. Oh, well, here's this one. Looks like I'm going to score right here if I go slowly, so I don't run out of the tracks. So score it there. Now we're going to cut the sides. I know, and I'm using a label from TheJunkJournalStudio, Entomology, and Botanicals. I'm telling you, that's like my favorite labels. I know there's other ones, other Christmas ones, but, well, that's what I'm doing. I got so much stuff. Then we're just going to trim the sides. Both tops and bottoms. Ooh, I almost stuck my finger in there. And then, because usually, because I want to put a whale tail tab on here. But if you don't have a whale tail tab, you can just notch this out and then cut along there, because that's how much border you have. And then you give yourself a tab. See what I'm saying? But, do I want it in the middle? I don't know. Because this would be a great one to where if you have one of those little slicer things, and I'm trying to decide where I want them. Okay, right here. So, if you don't have a cutter, well then just, you know, notch where you want, where we're going to want it at. But, I know, let me get this big, it's covered. Let me get this big Bahama Mama out here. But if you have a regular paper trimmer, then you can put these in and just trim it. I know I need to clean my stuff. I sure hate to think I got to change out my blade cutter thing. But, oh, well, you really can't see there, huh? No, you can't. Okay, so, Candace, not as easy as I thought. So, here and here, let's see if I can see those little marks, because that's where my, yep, I can see there. Okay, so where's my blade? Okay, then you just got to figure out where your blade goes, which is right there. And then right there. And then you would just snip the sides like that. I know if you want it wider than this, but I'm going to cover it with that little tab. I mean, the little, this thing. Well, tab. So, you'd put it on there like that, and that would just give it a little more sturdiness. But I can tell you, I need to trim this a little more because of how the tab curls. But like I said, you can make your tab longer if you don't have a whale tail punch or anything like that. But then we just need to, I know, not put your pencil away. And I'll cut this on the regular one since I'm just going straight across. I know I do have a smaller blade color thing, but it's in the other room. And it's buried underneath sewing supplies, so, because that's what I started out with. I got tired of changing the little blade thingy. So, we have that, which is our little file folder. And then usually, I think the file folders, aren't the edges rounded? Oh, okay, I got it enough. Oh my gosh, I know. I'm telling you. Sometimes you make something one way and it's meant to be something else. But isn't that a stinking cute little folder? And then we'll just come in and lightly do the inside. Because you could put like line paper in there or just whatever else you need in there to make it pretty. Prettier. Or, let's see, I know before I say or, let's see if it works. Let me tell you, this one is not rounded all the way. Oh, but the other one is. I don't know why it does that. Okay, so we have that, which, you know, will be a side tucker. So I have this one. I know I got to cut some more because the other one that I used I liked much better. I like the green. Or there's this one. Well, we're going to use this one, I think. So we're going to put that on there. I know we're not done. We're going to do a little decorate. Not much, but some. I still didn't refill my glue. I mean, I had it setting up so I could refill it better, but nope, I forgot. I know I'm just looking to see what side I like best. I like the side that's not glued down to the paper. All right, so there's our tab. And like I said, if you don't have, we've made faux whale tails. There's a playlist for it somewhere on my thing. I think if you just type in whale tabs, you'll find it. Oh, don't close that because we still need it. All right, and then I want to use this black square one just because of all the other colors in here. I know that wasn't very straight, huh? Well, that's why they made ink. Oh, man. I mean, you know, I've been downstairs working, I swear, at least 8 hours. What do I have? Okay, I got some ho-hos put together, but it's amazing how the day just goes, and you're working. You're not doing nothing else but truly working, but it takes forever. All right, let's run a little, stick them on it, on there, just so it holds it down. I know, and then we'll put some real glue on it. I know the other stuff is good glue. I just get more glue all over me if I try to glue the whole thing. Oh. And then we'll just put, oh, I guess right there. I'm going to cover all my greeneries up. Oh, but what I was going to look and see is if you have it, on your page and you, oops, I guess you'd want to, yeah, do it like that. And it would open. It'd be extra writing place. You could do a tip out type thing with it if you wanted. I know, but I like my little folder. It could be a big old tuck into a belly band. All right, so we have that. Let me put my glues up before I get a problem. All right, and then we're going to use some green and put some dots on here. Oh, my stomach's growling. I didn't even eat lunch until 3 o'clock. I know, because I was busy doing whatever and getting nothing accomplished. Oh, I know. I'm rolling around too. Oh, that's because I still hadn't took out that big old bag of trash. Then I'm going to get my clear fingernail polish. And I'm just going to dot some berries. Oh, I got some string hanging. When it gets old and it's cold, it gets stringy like, hot glue. I mean, it's just enough for the light to pick it up when you turn it so it shines. Oops, yuck. I don't know. Let's put a few more. That's 5. I know this is getting to the bottom. Like I said, it's thick. All right, we'll just leave 3 over there. Oh no, because then that's even. We got to put an extra. Got to be 9 of those. I know, because Cuckoo Bird says so. And then some mermaid nail polish on their buttons. Just so it has that little bit of sparkle. Or you could use any, dimensional glitter, clear sparkles that you have. I mean, I have that tulip one that's, does that clear sparkle, but when it dries, you got to put clear polish on top of it. And I just decided I didn't want to do both of them. But I am going to get some, if I can get in there. Ugh. Where is he? I know, I might have to stand up to find it. Wait, I feel it. Oh, no, I don't. Oh, I'm gonna, there he is. Oh. Good, google me goo. Some glossy accents for their eyeballs. And it's just because if my fingernail polish wasn't so thick, I'd put a dab on there, but it's hard to get that itty bitty dot. I know, isn't that cute? It's just simple, quick, easy, and you just got some sweetnesses. I know, I'm wondering, do I want to put, that some little red dimensional dots in there? Let's do it. Why not? Whoops. We need some berries in our greenery also. Even though that one's just crawling up like a vine. 6. I know now I got to put another one over here to even it up. And let's tap it down just a tad. And then there, look at that. Isn't that cute? I think it is. So you can either print 2 per page and make, let me grab it again. Oh, I'm like, where'd he go? And just make a large journal card, or you could print it, you still shrink it 2 per page, but you only print 1 instead of telling it to do 2, because that's how you get 2 per page. And that way you have this extra page and you just score it and fold it and it gives you a folder. So, da-da, or ta-da, I should say, ta-da. I know, and now I'm looking at it wondering, you know, well, I don't know, let's get that splatter out and we'll compare the two. You know, I got the splatter. I know I'm not having much space over here to splatter. I know I still had to move this paper to the other room to be cut up. Oh my gosh. Oh, I love it. Oh, I know. I'm sorry. I have issues with the splatter. So, I know I'm going to have to splatter the other one, because I do like it with splatter better. So, here's this one, the folder that we just did. Put my scissors up. And then here's the little, my prototype, which was a journal card. And like I said, I do like it better with the splatter. Here, let me hold it up with splats. Look at that. I know, isn't that so cute? Oh, all right. So, I know it's just another quick and easy, and just, you know, how to take a large full page, shrink it down 2 per page, which is 5 by 7s, and then if you print 2 of them on a page, you'll end up with 2 large journal cards. Or if you just print it 1 on the page, then it gives you room to do the file folder. So, and then you splatter it. Splatter, splatter, splatter. I know, let me squish them back down. Oh my gosh, I really do love it. All right, guys, I know, quick and easy, short and sweet, but cute as can be. Now I gotta go splatter that because I really like it splattered. So I will see you on the next video. Lots of kisses, lots of love. Y'all have a great day and a blessed day. Bye, guys.